Hey everyone, welcome to your next vacation. Today we're taking you on a journey to explore the top 5 must-visit places in Wisconsin. Whether you're into nature, history, or just looking for a great getaway, Wisconsin has something for everyone. Let's dive right in. Our first stop is Door County. Known as the Cape Cod of the Midwest, Door County boasts over 300 miles of stunning shoreline, picturesque lighthouses, and charming small towns. Don't forget to try the local cherry products and enjoy a fish boil, a true Door County tradition. Plus, the fall colors here are absolutely breathtaking. It's a perfect destination for any season. Next up we have Wisconsin Dells, known as the water park capital of the world. With a variety of indoor and outdoor water parks, it's a family-friendly destination year-round. But the Dells isn't just about water parks. You can explore scenic boat tours, thrilling zip lines, and a vibrant downtown filled with shops and restaurants. Whether you're seeking adventure or relaxation, Wisconsin Dells has it all. Third on our list is Madison, the state capital. Madison is home to the beautiful Wisconsin State Capitol building, the renowned University of Wisconsin-Madison, and one of the country's best farmers markets. Don't miss a stroll or bike ride around the stunning lakes or a visit to the vibrant downtown area. Madison is a perfect blend of culture, education, and outdoor beauty. For our fourth destination, we head to the Apostle Islands National Lakeshore. Located on Lake Superior, the Apostle Islands offer pristine beaches, sea caves, and excellent opportunities for kayaking and sailing. The ice caves in winter are a spectacular sight, making this a year-round destination. If you're an outdoor enthusiast, the Apostle Islands are a must-visit. Last but not least, we visit Milwaukee, Wisconsin's largest city. Known for its rich brewing history, Milwaukee offers a plethora of craft breweries and beer gardens. The Milwaukee Art Museum, with its stunning architecture and the lively festivals like Summerfest, add to the city's charm. Milwaukee perfectly combines urban excitement with a welcoming, laid-back vibe. So, there you have it, our top 5 places to visit in Wisconsin. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a longer vacation, these destinations offer a mix of adventure, relaxation, and culture. Let us know in the comments which place you'd like to visit first, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel tips and destination guides. Thanks for watching, and happy travels.